Hello guys, welcome back to the chat. So today we're going to change the air filter, the engine air filter of my 96 Honda Civic. I'm going to use this part right here. It's from Valeo, but you can use whatever you want. Okay. And if I remember correctly, this should be really simple. So we should just undo these two clips and pull it out. Remove the old one. It's a little bit nasty, as you can see. I have a couple of debris in there. Just clean them up. It's not much, but yeah, a couple of leaves. It's better to just clean it. Okay, now let's open the new one. The construction is a little bit different, but yeah, it's the same thing. So as you can see, fits really good. Now, okay, job done. It was like, I don't know, 2 minutes and it's done. Thank you very much. See you next time.